Hi everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. You're driving down the highway and you can anticipate a situation where you're going to need a little extra boost to pass the car in front of you. BMW has a very exciting feature called Sprint Mode, and we'd like to demonstrate that for you today. Sprint Mode will shift you down to a lower gear, higher RPMs. This makes the car much more suitable for acceleration. You do that by pulling back and holding the left shifter paddle. That gets you to a lower RPM, making you much more responsive to that acceleration. After you're done accelerating, you can go back into normal automatic transmission by pulling back and holding the right shift paddle. Let's go out on the road and demonstrate how this works. If you pull back and hold the left shift paddle, the car drops to a lower gear, which makes it more responsive to the accelerator. By pulling back and holding the right shift paddle returns you to normal automatic transmission drive mode. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.